Hi everybody. Today we're going to go over the homework for 6-4 hypotenuse leg. And it's very similar to the previous assignments we've been working on, only in this case we're only talking about hypotenuse leg, right? And hypotenuse leg states that two triangles can be congruent if they are right triangles. They share a common hypotenuse and they share a common leg. It's that simple. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So they have a hypotenuse in common, because we know that this is the hypotenuse because opposite the right angle. We know this is a right angle, right? There's a straight angle. We got that kind of, yeah, okay. And then they share a common leg. So yep, hypotenuse and leg, HL. Also, for this to work, it has to be a right triangle, obviously. So if it's not a right triangle, HL will not work. Here, those are verticals, so it's a right angle. They share a hypotenuse. They share a leg. So yeah, HL. That works. Here, we have two right triangles. Here's a hypotenuse. It's shared side, but it's hypotenuse, and they share a common leg. So yes, HL. And here we have right triangles, hypotenuse. Oop, hypotenuse. There's a different color for that one. And this will be the leg. So HL works on that one as well. Number 9. Right triangles. They have a hypotenuse and they have a leg. So these are all yeses. These are all HLs. Let's just do one no, so it's not as obvious here. So number 2, here we go. We have a right triangle, right? So that looks good. They share a common angle. They have another common angle. And that's it. Not enough. 3 angles is not enough. Okay, the back side here, we've got to provide information that will make the statement true. So these are all going to be HLs. And what would it, I'm not going to do all these. Let's do it first too. What would you have to write to make HL true? So they're going to have to be right triangles, and they're going to have to share a common hypotenuse, and they're going to have to share a common side, a common leg rather. So they're already right triangles. They share a leg. That means the hypotenuse have to be the same. So here we go. That would have to be the same. So FE would have to be congruent to WV. Okay. Here, this one. So we have right angles. We have the hypotenuse. So we're going to need the leg. We can choose either one here. I'm going to choose this one. So BC is congruent to CI. Yeah, we'll do all the odds. Why not? So we have a right triangle. We're good there. We have a leg in common. So that means we need the hypotenuse to be congruent. So YX and HG. YX and HG. Now it's important to note that here we could have chosen either side, either leg, but here we need the hypotenuse, so there's only one choice here. We have to use hypotenuse. It's important to know that. Here we have HL, we have right triangles, we're good there. We have the leg, so again we have to choose the hypotenuse, so this has to be that one. So HG is congruent to UV. And then the last one, HL, we have the right angle. They have a common side, which is shared. So we need to establish the hypotenuse is the same. So DL is congruent to KJ. Okay, and that's it. So I hope that makes this a little clearer. I hope that helps out. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys.